Morning students, hope you all are fine and up to question number 7 you have solved all the problems without any difficulty. Now in this exercise whichever question I am finding it somewhat different that I will explain and similar to that question I will leave. So please solve all those questions by yourself. If again you will have doubt you can ask me. So let us start from question number 8, that is, if the selling price of 16 water bottles is equal to the cost price of 17 water bottles, then find gain percent earned by the dealer. So come on, let us do this question. It is given that SP of selling price of 16 articles is equals to cost price of 17 articles. So let us assume that selling price of 16 articles is equals to X. Then if SP of 16 articles is X, then what will be the SP of one article? That is X by 16. As per given condition, SP of 16 articles is equals to CP of 17 articles. It implies that CP of 17 articles is also X. Why I have taken X? Because in the question only it is given that SP of 16 articles is equals to CP of 17 articles. So if this is X, so this is also X because both are equal. Understood? Now next again CP of one article. So that is X by 17. Now since you know by seeing the fraction you can identify which fraction is greater. So that means here you can see SP is greater than CP. So that means we will have gain. So gain is equals to SP minus CP. Subtract both, take LCM, solve it, you will get X by 272. This is your gain. Now you have to calculate gain percent. So gain percent, the formula is gain by cost price into 100. Substitute all the values. This is 17, X by 17. Let me clear it. This is 17. Then solve it and you will get answer 25 by 4%. Again you have to convert this into mixed fraction. That will be your final answer. And also remember that same question can be solved by different methods also. This is not necessary that whatever method I am telling you that is only the final one. It can be solved by different methods also. Now let us see question number 10. Let me read the question first. By selling 130 cassettes, a man gains an amount equal to the selling price of 5 cassettes. Find gain percent. So for this question, let us assume that selling price of 130 cassettes is rupees X. So selling price of one cassette will be X by 130. And it is given that this you will get from the question only. That gain, what is gain? Gain is equal to selling price of 5 cassettes. So if selling price of one cassette is X by 130, so what will be the selling price of 5 cassettes? That is X by 30 into 5. And that is equal to gain. Followed? So do cancellation, you will get X by 26. Now since already we know this is gain, selling price we know, gain also we know. What we don't know, that is cost price. So we have to calculate gain percent. So for gain percent the formula is gain by CP into 100. So we need cost price. So therefore by using this formula SP minus CP is equals to gain, you have to calculate cost price. So this cost price will go to that side, so it will become plus, and gain it will come to this side, so it will become SP minus gain. And I think you have studied this formula also. So CP is equals to SP minus gain, and SP selling price is X. So I have written here x, and gain we have calculated here x minus x by 26. So x minus x by 26. Take LCM, solve it. So cost price is 25 by 26 into x, or you can say 25x by 26. Now gain percent. Put that in formula. This is x by 26, that is gain. Gain by cost price into 100. X and x will get cancelled. Denominators will get cancelled. This 26 will get cancelled, and you will get 1 by 25 into 100. Solve it. Answer is 4%. So therefore gain is 4%. Question number 12. Oranges are bought at 6 for rupees 20 and sold at 4 for rupees 18. Find the gain or loss percent. So in this question, we have to find gain or loss percent. Now let us start. Cost price of 6 oranges is rupees 20 given. So by unitary method, find the value of CP of 1 orange. So that is 20 by 6. Here I have reduced this fraction and written 10 by 3. Next is selling price of 4 oranges is equals to rupees 18. So therefore selling price of 1 orange is equals to 18 by 4. Again after reducing you will get 9 by 2. Now compare the fraction. After comparing you will able to know that SP is greater than CP. So that means we have to calculate gain now. SP minus CP is equals to gain. So 9 by 2 is SP and 10 by 3 is CP. So subtract, take LCM, you will get 7 by 6. So this is gain. Now you have to calculate gain percent. So gain by CP into 100. 7 by 6 divided by 10 by 3 into 100. Now this 6 will come in denominator, this 3 will go in the numerator as I have written here. Now do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So 7 fives are 35. 35% is your answer. 15. A man purchased some eggs at 3 for rupees 16 and sold them at 5 for rupees 36. Thus he gained rupees 168 in all. How many eggs did he purchase? So here we have to find number of eggs. Whatever we have to find, that we have to assume to be x. So let us suppose that the number of eggs bought be x. Next again, cost price of 3 eggs is equals to rupees 16. Then cost price of 1 egg is equals to rupees 16 by 3. Then again cost price of x eggs is equals to 16 by 3x rupees. That means cost of 1 egg is given. We have purchased x eggs. So x into 16 by 3. Similarly, we have to find SP also. It is given in the question that selling price of 5 eggs is equals to rupees 36. So selling price of 1 egg is equals to rupees 36 by 5. Again selling price of x eggs is equals to rupees 36 by 5x. Gain is 168 rupees. Now insert all these values in the formula of gain, that is SP minus CP is equals to gain. So 36 by 5x minus 16 by 3x is equals to 168. Take LCM, solve it, and then you will get the value of x as 90. So therefore number of eggs bought is 90. So children, do till question number 16 and solve example problems also. After question number 16, we'll continue in the next class. By the time, keep practicing. Solve these questions also which we have discussed today in your copy. Thank you. We'll continue in next class.